A financial advisor walked into work and discovered something that made her sick. Her firm was pushing dangerous investments to elderly clients, wiping out their life savings, all for massive commissions. She was $30,000 in debt, supporting aging parents, desperately needed the money, but she couldn't do it. Instead, she warned every client who walked through her door, told them the truth about what these products would do to their retirement. They fired her immediately, slapped her with a non-compete clause. For 8 months, she served coffee while studying for her independent license, living paycheck to paycheck, watching her debt grow. But something amazing happened when she finally opened her own practice. Word spread through the community. Here was an advisor who actually protected your money instead of stealing it. 3 years later, she manages $50 million in assets, earns more than all her corrupt former colleagues, and helps hundreds of seniors sleep peacefully at night. She chose integrity over easy money. The money followed anyway, but more importantly, so did her self-respect.